Look at me jumping on the YouTube trend bandwagon yet again. Anyway, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fun day, hopefully. But while you're at it, you should subscribe if you want to. So today, thought it would be fun to do something that everyone is doing, and I know I'm not being original with this, but who cares? Not me. But we're doing a VSCO girl video because it's fun to be doing that. Everyone likes those videos that if you do a VSCO video, it's just gonna be good for you and good for everyone else. So that's what we're doing. We're basically gonna be transforming into a VSCO girl. And honestly, disclaimer right off the front, nothing wrong with being a VSCO girl, nothing wrong with not being a VSCO girl, nothing wrong with being in between. Let's just get started because I've made this introduction too long and you're probably tearing your hair out. So let's get started. But the first thing before we become a VSCO girl is the outfits. Because you know this outfit that I am wearing right now, it's basic enough, but it doesn't fully capture the essence of this VSCO trend thing, whatever. So I'm gonna need to change. This outfit's more like it. It looks a little bit more VSCO-y. So, while I'm putting my shoes on, which I'm not changing because I'm too lazy to do that, and I don't own Air Force Ones, but whatever. The thing is about VSCO girl outfits is that it's usually characterized by the giant oversized shirt that's way too big. This is Ron John Surf Shop on it. Or we could go with this Patagonia thing because this just kind of fits the whole aesthetic, even though it's 95 degrees out. But that's not important. The important thing is that we have my VSCO girl outfit, so we're moving closer to the transformation. But we gotta accessorize. And how else can we accessorize other than this, the puka shell choker necklaces. Perfect! But this next step we have to be doing is taking a picture of these accessories. Because what else would this be? You know, all the VSCO girls take pictures of their accessories, so here we go. And then we have to edit it. I cannot say the word edit correctly. I'm always like edited it. We have to edit the picture with a perfect VSCO filter. Okay, we have taken the picture, the lovely picture of the accessory. Time to edit it. Time to edit it. Time to edit it. So we're gonna import in VSCO because we have to use the VSCO app during the VSCO video. What else will we be doing? I think we have finished. Hashtag thriving. You know, half of being the VSCO girl involves taking a picture of you being a VSCO girl. Ta-da! Look at this. It looks so fun and VSCO-like. You know, you're just gonna... It's perfect. So we're really coming along on being the VSCO girl. But anyway, what's the next step? Makeup. Obviously. Now you're probably just like, Susan,
you're not smart, you already are wearing makeup.
I have a lot of eyeliner on because I still live like it's the 2000s. But we are gonna be putting on VSCO's favorite Glossier Balm.com. I hate when people do that. That's so obnoxious. I'm sorry. But you can't put on makeup without taking a picture of it. Once again, proving my point that being a VSCO girl is a lot of picture taking. Before filtering it, an unnecessary amount of viscoiness versus after.
Oh.
We've done the makeup, we've taken pictures of the makeup, we're doing fine. Next step to become the VSCO girl. we have a lovely, perfect VSCO Girl smoothie in a mason jar, of course. But before we drink it, before we stay hydrated, because hydration is extremely important, we need to go outside, take a picture of it, filter the picture, put the Instagram typewriter font onto it saying what the ingredients are. And 20 minutes later, after that's done, fantastic. The smoothie was good, except I'm still thirsty, so we need to hydrate again. Woo, hydration! And, kinda, gotta use a hydro flask if it's gonna be a VSCO video. By now, you know the process of all of this. We gotta take the picture, filter it, and do all that fun stuff before we can actually drink the water, so. Sorry, not sorry. We love a wannabe VSCO girl. But obviously the given next step of this is to do an excessive photo shoot like any other VSCO girl person, whatever, would do. So let's go take those pictures and excessively filter them. It's time to edit the picture. Just like that, we're really transforming, morphing, changing, metamorphosizing into the VSCO girl. But you know what? This VSCO girl needs to hydrate again for the third time. How are we gonna hydrate? With this bottle of GTS kombucha, because VSCO girls use kombucha, 2 peas in a pod. But the process, picture, filter, more filtering, more editing, then we can consume the live cultures in this lovely kombucha. And a perfect picture, and a great drink of kombucha. You know what, for the final step? Being a VSCO girl is exhausting. But regardless, what should we do for the last step? I've seen this all over Pinterest, VSCO, Instagram, social media, Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, all of the platforms. Just a picture in some aesthetic bedroom and watching Netflix. And typically it's either watching Friends, Parks and Recreation, or The Office. And I'm a huge fan of Parks and Recreation, so we best be taking a picture of me watching this and filtering it, and then I can actually watch it. Ta-da! We have successfully completed the mission of becoming a VSCO girl. I'm proud of myself. Are you proud of me? Probably not, but I am. Anyway, thanks again for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you kind of had fun watching me do this transformation, kind of ironically, kind of unironically. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Subscribe, thumbs up, do what you gotta do. Bye.